find your way back home.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I sounded like James Charles just then. That was so weird. Okay, anyway, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a Dua Lipa inspired makeup tutorial. So this is the photo that I was trying to recreate right here. I'll put it more clearer like on the screen here right now. But yeah, let me know how you guys think I did at trying to recreate this makeup look. Let me know if you would wear it. Let me know if you like it. Yeah, if you recreate this, tag me in your photos on Instagram. My username is just kirsten.addison. Yeah, I am so obsessed with Dua Lipa at the moment. Hers and Camila's albums are probably my favorites at the moment. I'm so obsessed with both of them. If you want me to do any other like celebrity makeup tutorials, let me know who in the comments. I was gonna do Perry Edwards because I'm not sure if you guys know, but I'm like obsessed with Little Mix at the moment, and Perry, like, she is stunning. They're all stunning, but like, yeah, you know what I mean? I love Perry's makeup as well. So I wanted to recreate one of her makeup looks, so let me know if you would want that as well. But yeah, end of little ramble. Remember to like and comment and subscribe if you are new here. I try post every week, so make sure you do subscribe. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year, wherever you may be in the world. And I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Keep on watching if you want to see how to get this Dua Lipa inspired makeup tutorial. Yes, girl, keep on watching. Mwah. Bye guys, love you. Okay guys, yeah, so I'm gonna start off with the face, and I'm just gonna spray my Fix Plus all over my face. This is the coconut scented one, by the way, guys. I love coconuts. I was one of them weird kids that, like, you know in them celebration boxes where at the end there's only the Bounties left? I was the one who ate all the Bounties. If you're American and you don't know what Bounties are, apparently they're quite similar to like Almond Joys or something. They're like a chocolate bar. When I did the James Charles makeup tutorial thing, I actually really liked the way the foundation looked. So I'm gonna do that again, which was just applying my Makeup Forever Ultra HD... Can I speak properly? My Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick all over my face, and then putting my Milani one over the top of that. So that was my Makeup Forever. Mine's in the shade Y365. This is in the shade 6 Sand Beige. I think in one of my older videos I said it was in the shade Light Beige or like Light Sand or something. It's not, it's Sand Beige. Then we grab our damp beauty blender and dip into the Milani foundation and use this to blend out the Makeup Forever stick. I was going to start off with my eyes for this makeup look because it actually seems quite winged out, but it seems like the kind of winging out that you do after you do your foundation. Do you know what I mean? Like, it looks winged out, but it doesn't look that sharp. Like, it looks sharp, but not as sharp as if you put like concealer underneath it. For concealer, I'm going to use my NARS Soft Matte Concealer. This one's in the shade Custard. I have it in the shade Canal as well, but this one's Newport. Ooh. This is going to stress me out having to use it. Oh, I hate using things that are new. I say and then I just dunk my beauty blender straight in on that. I'm also going to mix a little bit of my Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. This is in the shade Light Warm. As you guys can see, too light for me, but it's a really good concealer, so. I don't think you get much product in this concealer though. I'm not gonna lie, because it looks like quite a skinny tube. How much product? 3.5 mils. I don't know how much that is compared to my other concealers. No way, I actually think my MAC one might be 10 or 7.5 or something. So yeah, I'm just blending that out with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer. So like, I put the Soft Matte Concealer onto my sponge and then just blended over the Urban Decay one. Gonna set that with my RCMA No Colour Powder. Yeah, I like to bake my under eyes, as you guys know. And for today, I'm actually not going to use my Benefit Hello Flawless Pressed Powder. What? I know. I'm shook too. No, I'm going to use my No Colour Powder on my beauty blender because I did this when I did the James Charles makeup tutorial, and I loved the way my skin looked. So I've been doing this recently since I filmed that video, and I actually really like it. So I feel like when you apply it with a beauty blender, it really helps just press it into the skin. But maybe if I apply my Benefit one with my beauty blender, might give me the best of both worlds. So I might do that tomorrow. I'm gonna leave that under my eyes while I'm doing my eyeshadow because we're gonna be using quite dark colours, and the fallout, I'm not for that life. Okay, so now comes the eyeshadow. It looks quite cool toned. Really hard to see. You know, we're just gonna put our transition in. I'm using my Morphe 39A palette, and I'm gonna go in with, I think it was this one that I picked up right here. And I'm just going to take that on my 224 brush through my crease. I'm going to start winging it out. If you know you're going to be winging something out, wing every single one of them shadows out. Don't only wing the darker shades out, wing all of them out, because it's the exact same concept as just through the crease. It's just going to help them blend so much easier. And if you mess up winging your lighter shadows out, it's way easier to fix than when you're winging like a blackout or something. So like if you're trying to wing out shadows with your base on, that's a little tip for you. I'm going to take this shade right here, this deeper one here, and I'm gonna apply that through the crease lightly, just over where we applied the lighter shade kind of. I'm gonna take this on a 217, so just switch to a more sort of defined brush so you can really get in on that crease and the outer V. And we're still winging this out because obviously the look is quite winged out. I'm gonna deepen it up very slightly once again, and I'm gonna go in with this even darker shade. What, a darker brown again? Yeah. Yeah. And I'm going to go in with this one right up here, I think. On my 217 again. Tap off the excess because these shadows are so pigmented. I'm also going to bring this shadow into the outer V. So before we were keeping it more in the crease region, I'm going to bring it down slightly. Right here. Okay, I'm going to fix that in a bit because it's looking a bit patchy, but I just want to get the lid shade on. So I'm going to take this shimmery sort of bronze shade right here. And I'm going to take that on my MAC 242 brush. And just apply that on my eyelid. I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus as well, just because I do this with all my lid shades. This shade is stunning though. So now I'm just going back in with the deep, like the darkest brown shade that we used. Just back in the outer V and winging it out. I'm going to use a pencil brush on the deepest brown shade that we used again, just to help really get that shape. This shade is low-key applying a little bit patchy. Right, I think that's the eyes done. I'm going to do my brows and my lashes off of camera, wipe away this bake that we still have going on, and I'll be right back with you to finish off this makeup tutorial. Yes, alright, see you in a few. Okay, so I've done the eyebrows and the lashes, and I think this look is actually coming together really nicely, and I really like the way it's turning out. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to add some bronzer now, and I'm going to use my Benefit Cheek Parade palette, just dipping into Hoola. And this is on my Morphe M405 brush. Jua has like insane cheekbones. She didn't look too heavily bronzed in this look though, I don't think. Let me get the photo up. I'm like trying to remember it. Oh no, she's got insane cheekbones, right. Contour, hi. So Jua has like insane cheekbones, so I'm just going to contour to try and make it look like I have insane cheekbones. When I don't, we love a trier. She looks really dewy in this look, so I know I've set my whole face with powder, but I'm going to spray some Fix Plus because I think that really helps to make you look like dewy. But I'm going to highlight my inner corners now, and my palette is in the bathroom. Give me a second. Right, I'm going to highlight my inner corners now, and there isn't actually like an inner corner highlight shade in this palette. They don't have like any light shades in this palette, like actually. So I'm going to go with my Morphe 35F palette. This is stunning. They're just like a whole palette of shimmers basically, apart from like a row of mattes at the bottom. I love this palette. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here because her inner corner was quite yellow toned. So I thought this was the perfect colour. I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus, as always, and then just highlight my inner corners with this. Okay, so we're going to do our lower lash line now, and I'm going to apply some of my Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner. As if I just completely ruined my makeup look. Woo! Okay, we're gonna try fix it. Nope. Okay, right. Give me a second because this is not working for me. Okay, I kind of fixed that eyeliner a little bit. I'm gonna fix it more, don't worry. It's not staying like this. Other side now. It's just so black, this eyeliner, I think the thing is. This is reminding me of when I did my Ariana Grande makeup tutorial, and she puts like black eyeliner all along her waterline, which I never do. And I like haven't done it in so long, and I looked up and I was like, oh my god, what the hell is going on? Like, this is weird. I was like, I feel like a goth. I'm gonna go in with the medium like brown that we used, which is this one right here on my lower lash line. See, when you apply like shadow underneath it, it looks way better. Okay, that's the lower waterline done. Cute. I quite like it actually. I would never normally do an eye look like this though, but I quite like it. I'm gonna spray this on my face. This is my Fix Plus once again. So I have a couple highlighters that I'm gonna use, I think. I'm gonna first go in with Ofra Rodeo Drive, which as you guys can see, it's very well loved. It was like my favourite highlighter last year. Like I used it every single day and I packed it on. I'm applying this with my Anastasia A23 brush. Keep it on my... I was just singing a song and said keep it 100, so I went keep it on my... Right, I'm gonna take it on my Zoeva Luxe Pencil 230 brush down my nose. as always, on the tip and the bridge. I'm gonna go in with the tiniest bit of Citron by Jouer over the top of my highlighter. So for lips, I'm just gonna apply my MAC lip gloss. This is just the clear one, because hers literally just looks like her natural lip colour, but it looks quite glossy, so I'm assuming she used a clear gloss or a lip balm or something. I could just use Vaseline. Oh well. So that is the final Dua Lipa inspired makeup tutorial. I'm gonna zoom you guys back out now. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful. I'm so obsessed with Dua Lipa. Why can't I say her name? I'm so obsessed with Dua Lipa at the moment. Like, her songs are just absolutely amazing. Her whole album is insane. Make sure you let me know in the comments what like your favorite song off her album is. I think mine has to be Begging, probably. Such a good song. If you haven't heard it, go listen to it. But yeah, as I said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do recreate it, make sure to tag me in your photos. All my social medias are linked in the description bar, as always, so follow me on them as well while you're at it. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye!
Till you find your way back home.